So we're ready to take our buttermilk pancake water ice. I'm actually going to lower the speed a little bit because with water ice it actually shoots out a little bit if you keep it too high. So take this out. We'll let it fill. See, we got a nice, creamy, consistent product. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that smooth and creamy ice. So cream ice may be a little bit of a different temperature as your regular water ice. We're not, depends. You might need to keep it a little bit colder. You see, we got a nice yield of product. And we are good. We're going to shut down. And look at that. Look at the consistency of that ice. So there is your buttermilk pancake Italian water ice.